Hi, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out, spoke with Christy, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things pretty short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you could use to really add to your customer base and maximize your traffic online. So all I ask is that you send me some feedback, whether that be via email, text, phone call, anything would suffice. I just would love to get your thoughts. So with that, let's get started. The first thing that pops up that I notice right here is your site is not secure. That's just a matter of getting your SSL certificate and getting that taken care of. Definitely really important. A lot of times Google dings you for not having a secure site, so really important to get that done. But my first tip would be to add content to your site. So content is anything that you can highlight, whether that be text, pictures, and typically there's a couple reasons why you want a lot of content on your site. The first reason is so that you can be found for specific keywords. So say I'm wanting to be found for Electricians Dallas, Texas, okay? I might have that as a heading. I might have it in my text. I might save an image as that particular keyword. Just so that Google knows that want to be found for that particular keyword. And you are doing pretty well in that sense. You're ranking in the top 100 and 203 keywords. And a lot of them are buyer specific keyword: electrical contractors, Dallas, Texas, Dallas electrical contractor, electrical contractors, Dallas. So you're doing pretty good. You're in the third spot here, second spot. You're ranking in quite a bit of keywords, and you are in fact pretty high. So but you're not outside of Zubras and Zubras Electric. Outside of your name, you're not number one in pretty much anything. You're kind of that second, third spot, fourth spot, bottom of the page, second page, kind of stuff. So, um, there's really a couple things you can do with that. But looking at some keywords in the area, Arlington, Dallas, Garland, Irving, Mesquite. There's quite a bit of traffic in that Dallas, Texas area. I'm looking at 3,500 searches a month. And even if we were to lower this KD down, and KD is keyword difficulty, that's how hard it is to rank on the top page or in the first 10 spots on a 0 to 100 scale, 0 being the weakest, 100 being the strongest. You still would be, up toward the top. So there's definitely, there still would be a lot of um, shoot, my thing went off. There still would be a lot of traffic there. So there's definitely a lot of stuff that you can do there. There's definitely a lot of traffic. I mean, 3,600 searches a month. Even if you were to get, 1% of that, that's 36 customers. If you were to get 10% of that, that's 360 customers. So really, there's a lot of traffic there to be had. My second tip would be to add to optimize your Google My Business. So you do have a 4.5 star rating, 14 reviews. But like I said, if I were to put in Electricians Dallas, Texas, you're not in this map pack, and it's really important to get in this top three. And the reason behind that is because you want to pull traffic from the organic listings. So going through, didn't see you in this particular keyword search, Electricians Dallas, Texas. So you're not ranking on the first page, and you're not ranking in the map pack. And if you get in the map pack, you can at least pull traffic from the organic listings. But really, the goal is to rank in the map pack or in the organic section and in the map packs. It's just a way of upping the percentage of pull that you get within that keyword. So really important. And there's a couple ways you can do it. Add photos that are saved as keywords that you're looking to get searched for. Get your business information as listed here in as many locations as possible on the web and directories and stuff. And then really add to your reviews. It's quality and quantity. 5-star reviews, as many as possible. So that would be my second tip. my third tip would be to strengthen your site. So, here's some data from your site, and you're really doing well considering that your site is not as strong as a lot of others. So, I'll read this to you. This is the strength of your site, and it's on a 0 to 100 scale. 0 being the weakest and 100 being the strongest. And as you can see, you're only at a 5 here and a 3.1. So there's room for improvement. And once I show you your competitors, they're up around in the 30s and 40s. So building this up will definitely help you out. You have 36 domains that are sending 447 links back to your site. You're ranking in the top 100 and 203 keywords. You're getting 121 clicks a month, and your traffic value, or how much money I'd have to spend in Google Ads to get the same amount of traffic, is $2,500. So doing pretty good, especially considering that the power of your site is so weak. So looking at your competitors, so Mr. Electric and Berkey's, looking at theirs, as you can see, they're in the 30s, 37, 35. They are they do have 217 referring domains. They're ranking on 1,500 keywords. They're getting 863 clicks a month, and their traffic value is 21 and a half, 21.5 for $1,000. So really strong site, really kicking butt in that area. And then Berkey's, again, really strong site. They're ranking on roughly the same amount of keywords. They are getting roughly the same amount of traffic, but their traffic value is almost triple yours. So they're really getting a lot of good traffic there. So there's definitely room for improvement. There's definitely ways that you can build up your site and start getting ranked a little bit higher and hopefully getting some of that traffic. So with that, I'll let you go. If you need somebody that knows what they're doing, obviously we do this for a living, so we'd love to help you out. But either way, I'd love to get your feedback. So have a great day, and God bless. Bye.